Okay, so good evening, all of you, and welcome to our GK class. Okay, so today we are going to revise from lesson number 1 to 6. But today I'm not going to tell you anything. You will answer all the questions. Okay, yes, so please pay attention, all of you. Sit quietly and answer my questions. Okay, yes. So first lesson is famous people. Famous people. Okay. Yes, I'm audible to you all of you. Is my screen shared to you all? Please reply. Yes, okay, Dia, thank you. Okay, now see the first personality. Tell me the name of the person you are seeing on the screen. Yes, fast. Okay, Krutarth, right? Bhavya Gupta, it is wrong. Krutarth is right. Yes, Ananya Kadam is also right. Okay. Krutarth, unmute yourself and give me the answer.
Satyajit Ray.
Okay, very good. Now mute yourself. After answering, or you all will mute. I'm going to tell who will unmute, and that person only will unmute. And after giving answer, you will mute again. Okay? Yes. Now, next person, identify the next person. Who is he? Okay. Sharanya Kadam, please unmute yourself. Yes. Please give the answer. Who is that person? Yes. Sharanya, please give me the answer. Don't know. Your voice is breaking, Sharanya. Please unmute yourself. Jigisha Agre, please unmute yourself.
R.K. Narayan.
Okay, very good. R.K. Narayan. Okay, thank you, Jigisha. Sharanya, please mute yourself. Okay, Dia Gurav. Dia Gurav, please tell me the full name of R.K. Narayan. Full name of R.K. Narayan. Who will tell? Arya Gole. Anuradha Patil. Tell me the full name of R.K. Narayan. No one knows the full name of R.K. Narayan. Okay, Ananya Kadam. Tell me the full name of R.K. Narayan. Yes, Ananya, speak fast. Ananya Kadam, speak fast. Or Anuradha Patil. Please mute yourself. Okay. So, R.K. Narayan, full name is Rasipuram Krishna Swami Narayan Swami. Okay. Now tell me, how many novels he has written? How many novels he has written? How many novels? Did R.K. Narayan has returned? Yes. Ananya Kadam, please mute yourself. Anuradha Patil, mute yourself. Okay. Yes. How many novels did R.K. Narayan wrote? Grishma Naik, give me answer. Grishma Naik, give me answer. Parvati Kurup, give me answer. Okay, Bhavya Gupta, answer. How many novels did R.K. Narayan wrote?
R.K. Narayan written 34 novels.
How many? Please repeat again.
R.K. Narayan
4. Yes, 34 novels he has written. Okay. Yes, thank you, Bhavya. Now, identify this personality. Who is he? Yes. Who is this personality? Vihang Rote. Give me the answer. Unmute yourself. Arya Gole. Yes, Vihang Rote, please give me the answer. Which personality are you seeing on the screen? Okay, Samiksha Yadav. Samiksha Yadav. Yes, who is Cristiano Ronaldo? Come on, tell me fast. What does he do? Yes, Sarthak More, tell me the answer. Yes, Sarthak More, answer. Yes, Sarthak, speak.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the Portuguese football player and he is the captain of the Portuguese football team.
Next personality, who is she? Next personality, you can see who is she. Yes, write down in your chat box fast, all of you. Yes, Krutarth, right. I don't want the same persons to answer. Please, another students also, please give answers. Yes, Bhavya Gupta, right. Yes, Tejas also right. She is Sania Mirza. Okay, now tell me of which state of our India she is a brand ambassador. She is a brand ambassador. Which state she is a brand ambassador? Yes, Krutarth, good. Yes, she is the brand ambassador of Telangana state. Okay, yes. And what does she plays? She plays tennis. Okay, now next person, see what is the name of the person? Yes, what is the name of the person? Okay, yes, Bhavya, you are written right, but yes, Krutarth, good. 14th Dalai Lama. Yes, 14th Dalai Lama. Yes. Who is Dalai Lama? 14th Dalai Lama. Who is he? He is a spiritual leader. He is a spiritual leader of Tibet. Yes. Yes. And which prize he has got? Which prize he has got in 1989? Which prize he has got in 1989? Yes, Sarthak More, good. He has got Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize. Very, very good. Okay. Now, the last personality, who is he? Last personality, who is he? Come on, answer fast, students. We have to revise all 6 lessons. Yes, yes, Narayan Murthy. Yes, he is Narayan Murthy. Very good. Okay. Yes. So, who is Narayan Murthy? He is an Indian IT industrialist. He is an Indian IT industrialist. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. So, students, you have to revise lesson number 1. You have to read each and every word of the lesson. Okay. Yes. Now, let us move on to the next lesson. Tell me the famous place which are you seeing on the screen. What is it? Which temple is it? Come on, tell me fast. Yes, Jayesh Kulapkar, tell me, unmute yourself and tell me what place is this you are seeing on the screen?
Punjab.
No, it is in Punjab, but I want the name of that temple.
Golden Temple.
Yes, very good. Golden Temple is situated in Punjab. Okay. Thank you. Now, next, see the next temple. Which temple is it? Which temple is it? Yes, Rigved Khandare. Come on, tell me the answer. Which temple you are seeing on the screen? Okay, Bhumi Mohite. Come on, answer fast. Unmute yourself.
Konark Sun Temple.
Konark Sun Temple.
Okay, very good. Parents, please don't prompt. Let the child answer. Now, see the screen. Pritam Award. Come on, tell me which temple is it? Unmute yourself. Which temple you
Lotus
are?
Temple.
Pearl. Very good. Okay, where it is? Where it is? Yes, Lakshmi Singh. Lakshmi Singh answer. Where is Lotus Temple? Where is Lotus Temple? Yes, it is in New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Okay. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, see the next one. Yes. Which famous place is this? Mute yourself, Lakshmi. Okay. Adnya, come on, tell me. Adnya Pabrekar, please tell me which place is this? Adnya Pabrekar, are you there? Mishika, tell me the answer.
Varanasi.
Very good. Very good. Now, see the next place. Which place is this? What is it? Yes. Praneet Zarkar, come on, tell me the answer. Unmute yourself. Which
Hawamel.
place is? Yes, come on, speak fast.
Hawamel.
Very good. And where it is?
In
Where
Rajasthan.
it is? Okay, in Jaipur. Very, very good. Thank you. Next, come on, tell me. Who will tell? Devesh Yadav. Come on, tell me, Devesh Yadav. Unmute yourself and tell me what place is this?
Tamil Nadu.
Yes, okay, it is located in Tamil Nadu, but what is called as that famous place? Name of the famous place? Yes, Devesh, it is
Yes.
Vivekananda Rock. It is in Tamil Nadu. Very good. Okay, thank you. Now, see the next place. What is it? It is Palace of Mysore. What is it? It is Palace of Mysore. Arya Zarekar, come on, tell me, where is this famous palace of Mysore? In which state it is located? Okay. Mahalakshmi, tell me where it is located. Unmute yourself. In which state is Mysore Palace located? Yes. Yes, Arya, come on, speak fast. Okay. It is in Karnataka state. Now, this, what place is this? Which place is this? Which famous place is this? Ashutosh Chobe, come on, tell me. Unmute yourself. Which place is this? Yes. Okay. Atharva Bhoir, come on, tell me. Which place is this? Famous place. Unmute yourself and tell fast. Bhoir, come on, anybody can tell fast. No one knows which place is that? Yes. Shaurya Yadav, come on, tell me what is it? Okay, it is Ajanta and Ellora caves in Aurangabad city, and where it is situated in Maharashtra. Okay. Yes. Now, which place is this? Victoria Memorial. Victoria, located in which place is that? Virat Rai. Come on, tell me the answer. Unmute yourself and tell me. Virat Rai. Which famous place you can see on the screen? Come on, tell fast. Yes, speak, beta. Vihang Malusare, come on, tell me. Praneet Zarkar, tell me fast. Yes, Vihang, come on, tell me. It is Kerala. It is Kerala. And what is the nickname of Kerala? It is God's own. Okay. My screen is not shared. You can see my screen now, all of you. My screen is not visible. Okay. Those who are not seeing my screen, please go in the discussion. Yes. Yes, wait a minute. Yes, now you can see my screen. Come on, answer me fast. Yes, thank you, all of you. Okay. Now, come on, tell me the fast renamed states of what is the renamed name for Bangalore? Renamed name for Bangalore. Come on, tell me renamed name for Bangalore. Fast. Yes, Satej, very good. Bengaluru, Bengaluru, very good. What is the renamed name for Bombay? Renamed name for Bombay. Yes. Mumbai, very good, Parvati. Mumbai, yes. Okay. Renamed name for Calcutta. Renamed name for Calcutta is Kolkata. Very good. Then renamed name for Cochin. Renamed name for Cochin. Yes. Come on, fast. Yes, Siddhi. Very good. Kochi. Very good. Okay. Renamed name for Madras. Renamed name for Madras. Yes, Sarthak. Good. Ankush, good. Yes, Chennai. Very good. Tell me fast the renamed name for Banaras. Renamed name for Banaras. Very good. It is Varanasi. Very good. Okay. Now tell me the renamed name for Orissa. Odisha. Very good. Pondicherry. What is the renamed name for Pondicherry? Yes, Grishma Naik. Very good. Sarthak also good. Adnya good. Puducherry. Very good. Okay. Now last name Uttaranchal. What is the renamed name for Uttaranchal? It's Uttarakhand. Very good. Okay. Yes. Now let us move on to embroidery library. Okay. Now identify students. Which embroidery is this? You can see on the screen. Which embroidery is this? Come on fast. Yes. Chicken curry. Yes. This embroidery is chicken curry. And where it is famous in which state? It is famous in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Now, next embroidery. Come on, tell me which embroidery is this? Very good. Fulkari. Very good. Where it is and famous in which state? Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana. Okay. Next one. Identify this. Which embroidery is this? Very good, Bhavya. Very good. Okay. Kantha stitch. Yes. Kantha stitch. Mahalakshmi, mute yourself. Okay. Next one. Tell me which embroidery is this? Come on, fast. We have to revise all the lessons. Yes, Jayesh Kulapkar, good. Kashida embroidery. Lakshmi also good. Kashida. Yes, where it is Kashida famous in which state? In Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir. Now, next one. Which embroidery you can see on the screen? Very good, Vinayak, Lakshmi. Very good. Yes, it is Rabari. And which state it is famous? It is famous in two states. In which state it is famous? Yes, yes. It is famous in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Very good. Okay. See the next one. Which embroidery is this? Yes, very good. Very good. It is Kalamkari. Very good. And where it is from? Which state it is? Which state we can find Kalamkari embroidery? No, Ankush, it is not Bandhani. It is Kalamkari. Very good, Bhavya. We can find it in Andhra Pradesh. Very good. Okay, now last one. This is Bandhani. Which embroidery is this? Bandhani. Very good. Now, where we can find Bandhani? Again in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Very good, Manoj. Yes. Okay. Now, all of you, we will look out our Indian identities. Okay, fast. Come on, tell me our national animal. Fast. Which is our national animal? Yes, Vinayak, very good. Tiger. Okay, national bird. Come on, national bird. Fast. Peacock. Very good. Me, peacock. Bhavya, very good. Okay. Now tell me which is our national flower. National flower. Come on, fast. Yes, Tej, very good. Lotus. Yes, very good. Lotus. Now tell me which is our national tree. National tree I want. Yes, banyan tree, Swara. Very good. Banyan tree. Yes. Which is our national song? Which is our national song? National song. Very good. Vande Mataram. Yes. Now tell me which is our national anthem? National anthem I want. National song is Vande Mataram and Janagana Mana is our national anthem. Okay. Now students, tell me our national emblem. What is the name of the national emblem? Fast. What is the name of the national emblem? Very good, Krutarth. Lion, capital, Ashoka at Sarnath. Very good. Yes. National fruit I want. Come on, fast. National fruit. National fruit. Very good. Very good. Anamta, very good. Jayesh, also good. It is mango. Yes. Now tell me national sport. National sport I want. Very good, Adnya. Very good, all of you. Those who are writing. Yes, very good. Hockey is our national sport. Now tell me what is our national, which is our national river? Yes, Ankush, very good. It is Ganga. Yes, very good, Atharva Bhoir. Yes, national river, national water animal, national water animal, sorry. National water animal. Yes, river, dolphin, river, dolphin. Okay, all of you good. Now let us move on to the third lesson, that is science around Earth. Now students, on the screen you can see some parts of the body. Now tell me whether they are internal parts of the body or external parts of the body. Come on, fast. Yes. Don't tell me the names of the body parts, but just tell me what is which type of, yes, Satej, very good. Internal body parts or external body parts? Yes, they are internal body parts. Brain, lungs, liver, heart. Yes, they are internal body parts because they are inside our body and we cannot see them. Okay. Now, first one, which is this? Which part is this? Tell me the name of the part. Okay. See the first part. Yes. Ankush, you are right, but your spelling is wrong. Yes. Vedant also good. Kritat good. Heart. Yes. Now, what is the function of the heart? Yes. What is the function of the heart? It acts like a pump circulating blood in the body. Yes. Okay. Now, see the next one. Which part is this? Yes, Kritat, the answer is right, but your spelling is wrong. Ananya Kadam, right, lungs. Yes, what is the function of the lungs? It helps us in respiration. It helps us in respiration. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, see the next part of the body. Which body part is this in the on the screen? You can see. Very good, Swara. Satej, very good. Ananya, Siddhi, very good. It is kidney, yes. And what is the shape of the kidney? What does it looks like? Yes, Siddhi, very good. Siddhi Dhamke, very good. It looks like a bean shape. Very good. Okay. What is the function of the kidney? It regulates our water. It regulates our blood and regulates our water level in the body. Okay. Now, the next part, what is it? Bhumi Mohite, your answer is right. Spelling is wrong. Students, please revise your spelling correctly. Brain, yes. Brain. What is the function of the brain? It is the most important organ of the body whose main function is to process information. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, see the next part of the body, which is, what is it? It is liver. Yes, very good. Liver. Yes. What is the function of the liver? It helps us in the digestion. It helps us in the digestion. Okay. And now the last part of the body, internal body part, pancreas. Very good. Yes. What is the function of pancreas? It helps in digestion and regulates our blood sugar level. Okay. Now, see the types of teeth. We have learned the types of teeth, the molar teeth, premolar teeth, canine teeth, incisors teeth, baby teeth. Yes. Okay. So, see the position of the teeth. See, backside you are having your premolars. Okay, then molars, then canines, and then incisors. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, students, how many teeth does an adult person have? How many teeth does an adult person have? Very good, Shafin Khan. Very good, Vedant Sutar, Sakshi Patel, Tanish Kingre. Very Tanish. Your answer is wrong. Correct answer is 32. Yes, an adult person is having 32 teeth. Yes. Now tell me the teeth. The first set of teeth, what is it called? The first set of teeth when a baby is grown. Yes. Okay. Baby teeth or milk teeth. Okay. Baby teeth or milk teeth. Yes. Okay. Very, very good. All of you. Now, nutrients. Now, see the different types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Now, the first one is protein. The first one is proteins. Okay. So, why proteins are important? Because they are helping us in building blocks of our body tissue. Yes. Some examples of proteins: fish, meat, egg. Okay. Yes, milk. Very good, Ankush. Very good. Tell me some examples now of carbohydrates. Tell me some examples of carbohydrates. Yes. Dates. Very good. Okay. Egg also. Yes, bread, bananas, beetroot, sweet potatoes. Very good, all of you. Okay, see the fats. Yes, tell me the examples of fats. Okay, yes, yes, egg. Very good. Okay, milk. Next, come on. Yes, water is essential for our body. Can we stay without water? Can we stay without water? No, we cannot stay without water. Yes, water gives us energy. Okay. Yes. Now, vitamins. Now tell me, how many vitamins are there? How many vitamins are there? Come on, tell me the number of vitamins. I have told you, I have shown you on the screen. Very good, Rigved. Krutarth, your answer is wrong. There are 13 vitamins. There are 13 vitamins. Okay. Yes, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, E, and in vitamin D, there are subparts. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, minerals. Yes, minerals. In minerals, what they include: calcium, potassium, manganese, zinc, iron. All these are included in minerals. Okay. Very good. Okay, all of you. Yes. So always we should have a balanced diet with all these nutrients. Yes or no? Yes, with carbohydrates, proteins, fats, all these should be included in our daily diet. Now let us move on to the next part. Now tell me, this boy is lifting the weight. So which type of force is being applied? Which type of force is being applied to this action? Krutarth, very good. No, Siddhi, it is wrong. Yes, muscular force, very good. Those who have written muscular force, very good. He is lifting the weight, and with the help of his muscles, he can lift the weight. So the muscular force is being applied. Okay. Now tell me, which force is this? Which force is this? See on the screen, what is it? Magnet. So it is giving a magnetic force. Very good. It is giving a magnetic force. Very good, all of you. Okay, now next one. This person is pushing the cupboard. This person is pushing the cupboard. So which force has been applied? Which force has been applied between the land, between the surface and the cupboard? Very good, Bhavya. Yes. Yes, muscular force also you can say, and frictional force also. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, see the next one. This boy is throwing the ball from a height. So the ball is going down. What is the, which force is this? Come on, tell me fast. Which force is this? Very good. Yes, very good. Satej, your answer is right. Spelling is wrong. Very good. Gravitational force. Gravitational force. Very good. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next lesson. That is lesson number 4. Okay. What you can see on the screen now? What is it? It is a tree. Yes. It is a tree. Very good. So, trees are also important in our life. Without trees, we cannot take oxygen. Yes or no? Yes. So we should plant more and more trees on the earth. Now, yes, where do they grow? So they grow at different places. They grow at different places. So we called it as adaptations or habitat. We call them as habitat. Yes, forest habitat, aquatic habitat. Yes, then desert habitat, polar habitat. All these are the habitats. All these are the habitat. Yes. Okay. Now, tell me the which type of, you can see the mushroom. Now tell me the which type of habitat it is. Which type of habitat it is? Very good, Krutarth. Yes, it is non-green plant. Yes, it is non-green plant because its color is not a green. Yes, so it is called as non-green plant. Yes. Now, see the next picture on the screen. Yes, which plant is this, students? Which plant is this? Come on, tell me fast. It is a pitcher plant. Yes, it is a pitcher plant. And which type of plant it is? Which type of plant it is? It is insectivorous plant. It is insectivorous plant. Yes. Okay. Now tell me which flower you can see. What is the name of the flower on the screen? Yes, it is lotus, and lotus is an aquatic plant. Okay. Now, what is it? Cactus. So cactus is desert plant. Cactus is desert plant. Okay. Now, see carrot. Now, what is carrot? Carrot is a root plant. Yes, carrot is a root plant. Okay. Now, sugar cane. Sugar cane is a stem plant. Sugar cane is a stem plant. Yes. Okay. Next one is radish. Radish is a root plant. Radish is a root plant. Yes. Next one is potatoes. Potatoes are stem plant. Yes, potatoes are stem plant. Yes. Now, next are the nuts and dry fruits. Yes. What is it? Which dry fruit or nuts is this? Peanuts. Yes. Then almonds, cashew nuts. Yes. Now, let us move on to the next lesson fast. Yes, aestivation. What is aestivation? That is some animals go in the prolonged sleep, for a long sleep during the summer season. Okay, then what is hibernation? Hibernation is some animals go in sleep during the winter, Now, what is camouflage? That means that some animals go in camouflage. That means they take the shape of the surrounding. Yes. Now see the cycle of the butterfly. Yes. First it is a egg, then it is larva, then it is pupa, and then it adult butterfly. Okay. Next is a frog. Frog also egg, then tadpole, then adult frog. Okay, very good. Now, extinct animals. What is the meaning of extinct animals mean? The animals which are no more. The animals which are no more. Okay. Yes, dinosaurs. Then, what is it? Mouse. Then it is woolly mammoth. Then dodo. And all these are the extinct animals. Okay. Yes. Now, let us see the adventure sports. Which sport is it? Skydiving. Okay. Then surfing. river rafting, paragliding, yes, skiing, then scuba diving and parasailing. Okay, yes. So all these instruments we use in the sports. Okay, yes, this we use in, okay, parachute we use in parasailing. This is the rugby ball we use in rugby. Yes, this is the jet skiing we use in the jet skiing. This is ice skating shoes, ice skating shoes. And this is the tennis bat. This is the tennis bat. Yes. Now, which personality is this? Sachin Tendulkar. This is Sachin Tendulkar, famous cricket player. Yes. Then next one is Rahul Dravid. Next one is Rahul Dravid. He is also a cricket player. Now he is Vishwanathan Anand. He is a chess player. Yes. Okay. Then Mary Kom. Mary Kom, she is a woman wrestler, boxer. Okay. Yes. Okay. And last one is Pankaj Advani. He plays snookers. Okay. So students, you all of you revise lesson number 1 to 6 for your exams and write your exams neatly. Okay. All of you take care. All the best for your exams. Thank you all of you.